Welcome back to my channel. Today we will do the multiplication while using tables. Now multiplication tables are a good way to find products of multiplication. Let us find the product of 5 multiplied 2 and 8 multiplied by 4. Now to find 5 multiplied by 2, we say that the table of 2 till we reach 5 times 2. Now we find that 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. To find 8 multiplied by 4, we say the table of 4 till we reach 8. So 8 times 4. We find that 8 multiplied by 4 is equal to 32. Okay. Now revising tables. Do you remember the tables of 1 to 6? Tables of 1 to 6. Okay. Let us complete these tables. First table is table of 1. And we are given here 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. Now we have to write 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to dash. 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to dash. 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to dash. 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to dash. 8 multiplied by 1 is equal to dash. 9 multiplied by 1 is equal to dash, and 10 multiplied by 1 is equal to dash. Now you have to complete this. Now simple, the table of 1 is the number which is multiplied by 1 is that number itself. Means 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. 5 ones are 5. 6 ones are 6. 7 ones are 7. 8 ones are 8. 9 ones are 9. 10 ones are 10. In the same way, let's complete the table of 2. That is the table of 2. 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are, sorry, it is a table of 2. So 3 2s are, that means 3 times 2. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 4 times 2 8. 5 2s are 10. 6 2s are 12. 7 2s are 14. 8 2s are 16. 9 2s are 18. And your 10 2s are 20. Here we are going to write the table of 3. 1 3s are 3. 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are 27, and 10 3s are 30. Table of 4. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 7 4s are 28, 8 4s are 32, 9 4s are 36, 10 4s are 40. Now table of 5. 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35, 8 5s are 40, 9 5s are 45, 10 5s are 50. Table of 6. 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42, sorry, either you can write 6 7s or 7 6 are, both are same. 8 6 are 48, 9 6 are 54, 10 6 are 60. Okay, we have revised the tables from 1 to 6. Now let us look at the new topic, building tables. Of 7 to 10. We can build the multiplication table of 7 by making one group of 7, two groups of 7, three groups of 7, four groups of 7, and so on. So find the total in each group. That means one group of 7 means 1 multiplied by 7 is equal to 7. Find the total. Two groups of 7, 7 plus 7, two groups of 7 gives you 14. 3 groups of 7, 7 plus 7 plus 7 gives you 21. 4 groups of 7, 7 plus 7 plus 7, 4 times gives you 28. Similarly, you get 5 sevens are 35, 5 groups of 7, 35, 6 groups of 7, 42, 7 groups of 7, 49, 8 group of 7, 56, 9 group of 7, 63, and 10 group of 7 gives 70. Similarly, we can complete the table of 8. You can add one group of 8 gives you 8. 2 groups of 8, 16, 8 plus 8, 16. Similarly, you can do the addition. 3 8s are 24. 4 8s are 32. 5 8s are 40. 6 8s are 48. 7 8s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 9 8s are 72. And 10 8s are 80. Now come at the table of 9. Again, you can make the groups of 9. So 1 9s are, one group of 9 is equal to 9. 2 group of 9, 9 plus 9, and do the addition, that is 18. 3 groups of 9 gives you 27. 4 groups of 9 gives you 36. 5 groups of 9 is equal to 45. 6 group of 9 is equal to 54. 7 group of 9 is equal to 63. 8 groups of 9 is equal to 72. 9 groups of 9 is equal to 81. And 10 groups of 9 is equal to 90. And last but not the least is table of 10. This is your table of 10. Again, one group of 10 gives you 10. 2 groups of 10, 2 10s are 20. 3 groups of 10, 30. 4 groups of 10, 40. 5 groups of 10, 50. 6 group of 10, 60. 7 group of 10, 70. 8 group of 10, 80. 9 group of 10, 90. This is all for today. If you like my videos, then please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.